This short video will take you through the BMW washer unit assembly process. Step 1. Take the upper and lower mouldings and place them securely in the welding jig. Close the safety door and allow the machine to complete the welding process. Step 2. Remove the welded washer unit. Insert 2 bush ovals and insert 1 filter part. Step 3. Place the unit securely on the stand. Step 4. Insert the pump assembly securely into the filter. Step 5. Remove the unit from the stand and place it securely inside the testing cabinet. Step 6. Insert nipple part onto unit and connect the electrical supply. Step 7. Touch the button to start the test running. Step 8. The test cycle is completed when the green light shows. Step 9. Take the tube part and dip the thread of it into the liquid emulsion. Step 10. Insert the tube part into the unit, screwing in a clockwise direction until tight. Step 11. Touch the button again to release the unit and then remove it from the tester. Step 12. Make a visual inspection of the finished assembled unit. If satisfactory, then place the unit into the box for packaging. This completes the BMW washer unit assembly process.